Hello, Chef here, about to enjoy some vegetable lasagna. I'm serving it up with a little mozzarella cheese, a little bit of basil. Of course, there's marinara sauce in there. If you want the recipe, just check out the channel. One of our goals here is on this channel, one of our goals on this channel is to help you guys eat healthier and live longer, and that involves making wise choices. Like vegetable lasagna is a great choice. So the recipe is like right there, and it's on the channel. Beverages. So you're thinking about having a Coke with lunch, a Diet Coke. So, long ago I drank Coke, never Diet Coke. 0 calories. That's the whole advertisement there, and this fancy big D, this lettering and labeling. Yeah, I'm going to skip that. So this is a better choice. This is just a sparkling water that has a little citrus in there. Also 0 calories. The calories is a leader. There's a lot of sweeteners in here of some kind, and there's just all kinds of stuff going on in here. So this is probably not so good for you. So one of the problems with these calorie-free sodas is people think they're healthy, and you drink it and you want another one, you get another one, and the problem is that it's loaded with all this artificial stuff. Insulin spikes, it causes you to grab snacks and things like that, and if you're drinking just water or sparkling water or flavored water, then the water is not full of the insulin spike, and then you don't crave all those snacks. Helps you in fat loss, helps your diet, helps your overall body. So with that said, I'm going to open this sparkling water, and I'm going to put some in the glass right here. Okay. Yeah. One thing I like to add to mine is a little bit of citrus. So there's a little bit of a dried orange slice in there. Of course, it will add a little bit of extra flavor. And yeah, that's what's going on here. Someone's going to drink this. Whoever's down there, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's what I think of that stuff right there, okay? So that's another video. Thanks for watching. And cheers to your health. Oh. Yeah. That's good stuff right there. Make sure your knife is doing nothing else. Cutting on the cutting board, through food, store it carefully, and then sharpen it. It's really so simple. Whetstone goes in the holder like this. Okay, holder holds it in place. Clip is on the knife from the heel to the tip. Remove the clip, wipe off the knife, follow with a few strokes on the leather strap. Some cardboard, we've been eating some of these healthy crackers. Let's see how sharp this knife is, okay, together. Pretty sharp. Could you get it sharper with a little bit of practice? Probably. But right now I could shave with it. Alright, it's pretty good. Hard cutting board, food, water in a whetstone, and then you store it. Thanks for watching. That's the video. Have a beautiful day. keep cooking. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. You can score all the tools there. And be cool.